Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala taught few etiquettes with regards to Rasulullah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He said that two things. First, He said that when Rasulullah has called a meeting, right, then do not leave unless Rasulullah has given you the permission to do so. This was one command. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that the believers are only those who believe in Allah and His Messenger, and who, when they are with Him in a collective matter, do not leave unless they seek His permission. So when Rasulullah has called upon a collective matter, they just do not leave on their own. Because what the hypocrites would do was that they would show up just to be counted, that Rasulullah has come, and then when a lot of people are there and now they would know that, पीछे से हल्का से निकल गए, अब किसको पता चलना है कि हम हैं कि नहीं है, right? So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that don't do that. When Rasulullah has called upon a meeting and he is discussing something, do not leave unless you have sought a permission. And then he says, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that surely those who seek your permission are the ones who believe in Allah and His Messenger. That if somebody has sought a permission and then they are leaving, they are the ones who truly believe in Allah and His Messenger. So if they seek permission from you for some business of theirs, give permission to whom you wish from among them. So if they seek permission, give them permission if you wish, and pray to Allah for their forgiveness. This is what I wanted to highlight. That Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that give them permission, but to Allah, this is such a dislike act that you have given them permission, but मुझे नहीं पसंद आई ये बात, तो अल्लाह से आप उनके लिए माफ़ी मांग लें. To Allah, leaving Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam from a thing that He has called upon without, whether with or without permission, is simply taking you out of Iman. Because it came that those who seek permission are truly the believers. Meaning those who leave without seeking permission, they are not even believers. But if you even leave by seeking permission, the fact that you are leaving Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not truly like that. He's saying, seek forgiven. وَاسْتَغْفِرْ لَهُمُ اللَّهِ. Right? Seek forgiveness for them from Allah. This is the level that Allah attaches to His Messenger. This is the level that Allah has when it comes to showing etiquettes for Rasulullah. Reflect on this and see what etiquettes do we show to Rasulullah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala goes on and says that do not take the call of the messenger among you as the call of the one of you to another. Right? Meaning that do not call on messenger the way you call each other. Or if Allah Rasulullah has said something to you, this is the call of the messenger. Take it in its own stride. Take it in the level it should be taken in. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, قَدْ يَعْلَمُ مَا أَنْتُمْ عَلَيْهِ. He knows, or in other words, that He knows the condition in which you are at the present. Allah knows the condition that you are in. قَدْ يَعْلَمُ مَا أَنْتُمْ عَلَيْهِ. If we remind ourselves that Allah knows the condition that I am in, when we are down, we think that, if only that person knows what I am going through. If only he can understand what I am going through. If only he is aware. If only my boss knows what I am struggling with. If only this person knows what I am struggling with. We say that if he knows what I am going through, then perhaps he will have a different attitude towards me. Perhaps he will extend a bit of help to me. Perhaps he will, sort me out. Perhaps he will make it easy for me. Allah is not even saying that, if Allah knows what you are in. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, qad. Qad in Arabic comes to emphasize certainty, right? Qad ya'lamu ma antum alay. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows what you are in. He knows your condition.